I'm here in Premiere Pro and I want to show you how you can synchronize some clips together. I've got two clips here and you can see on the right hand side here in my program monitor I've got these two clips as a split screen, and when I play them they are synced up. They were shot with two separate cameras at the same time and I want them synced up. So this is not like the multicam sequence, so this is synchronizing these two so they're going to be in sync together. So if I just play this, you'll see that this side here will match up with whatever I'm doing over there. Now, how do I do this? It's really easy to do. You could sit here and line it up. So I'm going to show you how to do this. The thing you need to make sure when you record this is that they're both recording sound. Now, the one sound can be the really good sound that you're recording, and the other one can be just, say, the on-camera mic. It doesn't have to be good. You don't need to use that sound. So let's just do this. I'm going to come over here to my clip bin here, and you can see I've got two shots. I've got the main shot and the close-up. If I double click on the main shot, you can see it here. I've already chosen my in and out points. I'm going to create a sequence. I'm just going to right click. I'm going to go down to here and choose new sequence from clip. Let's just change the name of it to split screen pod mount. Okay, not that that was important, but I want to do that. Here I've got my close-up shot. I'm going to double click on that, and again I've chosen an in and an out point. These can be changed later. Now, I don't need the sound from this, and over here you can see this little icon that looks like a little film strip. If I just click and drag on that, that's going to drag the video only over to here. I'm going to drop it anywhere. Now what I need to do is select these two clips, and I can do that by the clicking and dragging to draw around it like that, or I can click and then hold down the shift key and click there as well. This doesn't matter whether you're using the Windows or Mac version. Okay, what I want to do now is synchronize both of these. You can see here that my audio 1 is the one with the sound. None of the other three tracks have any. This one doesn't have any at all. So what I can do is go into clip and choose synchronize, or I can right click and choose synchronize from here. It works the same either way. I choose it. You do have the synchronized points can be the start or the end. I could easily line those up. It's the audio that I'm going to use, and it is picking up here the different tracks. So this is looking at this main shot here. Track 1 is the only one with audio on it. So I'm going to choose that. I click on OK. Leave it a moment to process. This can take time depending on the speed of your computer. And there you are. Did you see that? That moved across to here. They are now in sync with each other. So what I want to do now is just make it a split screen so that you can easily see this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click here. I'm going to go to my effect controls, change that to 50%. Let's just move here so I can see where that is. Let's just move that to the side. I'm not going to do this very accurately, but just so you can see that it has worked. So let's make that 50% and let's move that across here. And I could line these up a bit better, but watch what happens when I play it now. You'll see that both of these are in sync if you were looking at that closely. So there you have it. That's all you need to do to synchronize some clips. You just need to use the Synchronize feature built into Premiere Pro. If you like this, do like it, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and come back to my channel to see more useful tips on filming and editing.